Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the popular quick fried bakes. So today I'm using 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I have an extra bit of flour in case I need it. And I'm working with 1 cup of water. So back in the days when my grandmother used to send me to buy bread and there were no bread available at the shop, she used to make these quick fry bakes, and we always enjoy it with fish, saltfish, eggs, you name it. So let's go ahead and knead this. So I'm going to pour my yeast and my baking powder inside. Give that a little stir. And we do this, we have different method of doing this. Put in my sugar and my salt. Just mix that. Sometimes we use the baking powder only and yeast only, and with some butter. Yeah, we have different ways of doing it. But this is going to be light and a little bit fluffy. That's how I like it. Okay, so I'm going to start to pour my water. I'm going to give that a mix with the spoon. Let's mix it up. And it's very easy to do, very easy. So I'm going to start mix this with my hand. And mix it to a medium dough with some flour because it's sticky. Continue to knead it in. The dough is ready and I'm going to let it rest for half an hour. Sometimes back home we just used to fry it immediately, but I'm going to leave it to rest for half an hour. I'm going to cover it and let it rest. Half an hour is up and time to prepare our dough for frying. So let's knead that a little bit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to divide this dough for frying. And I'm going to make about 8. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, about 7. That's fine. Normally get 8, but that's fine. So I'm going to make some little small balls. Some little flat dough, sorry. Actually, you know, we can get 8. Some is bigger than some. There we go. So let's continue. And you can always use a little bit of flour in your hand just to make that shape. If they are a little bit sticky, it's fine. So guys, my Oil is being heated and my 8 bakes are ready for frying. And make sure you cook the bakes on medium low heat. So I'm going to start putting my bakes inside the oil, and I'm going to put 4 at a time to fry. And let them take their time and fry. And when they are golden brown, we flip them over. Okay, let's flip them over. Looking so wonderful. Yeah, I think these are going to get the rings. I'll show you how we do it. So let me show you how we go about and do this for the sides. If you don't want the ring, you can just put them on the sides like this. Sorry. And then you have to turn them very fast so they won't get burned. So I'm going to take my bakes out the pot and leave them to absorb some oil. Now the bake has cooled down, so I'm going to break one for you guys, just so you can see the inside. And you enjoy this with anything you want. Thank you again for watching, and I'll write the recipe in the description section. Bye till another time.